Hey girl gang, welcome back. I am your girl Kay and I am here. Is my camera crooked? And I am here helping you master your confidence through fashion, style, and beauty. So, welcome back. If all the girl things and all the things excite you, I'm your people, you're my people, so get in and let's start this video. So I wanted to start off with some items I just recently got. I know y'all love a good haul, but I want to share some items I most recently got, starting with these sunglasses, which are by Janae Naylor 12 PM Studios. These are the Blue Smoke. They're not Toronto, because I have Toronto. What are these? Legos? I can't remember. I'll put the name up on the screen. But I have them in Blue Smoke, and they're basically like giving clear, which, it's just like, it just gets me going. A clear lens, a transparent lens, just, it gets me in the right space. And then she also sent me the brown, which are so beautiful because the outside is silver and people underestimate silver and brown and how great they go together, which is why I kept on these earrings. These are new for me. These are by Jenny Bird. I'm gonna get a little closer. So these are my new hoops by Jenny Bird. Oh, I love them. So if you are a girl who is trying to like upgrade your jewelry game, but maybe you aren't ready to, invest in David Yurman or something of that sort, I highly recommend Jenny Bird. Their sterling silver pieces are really, really good, really great. I will buy more. I'm not even gonna hold you. I will buy more, for sure. I got two other items I wanted to share with you. They are accessories as well. These earrings from Shop Koi, oh my gosh. They are just everything. Like, they're so lightweight. They look heavy, but they're absolutely not. And when you put them on, I like to wear them the backwards way. When you put them on, they are so feather light. Like, they're so feather light. Oh my goodness. I actually think I'm gonna double back for them in silver. So beautiful. A work of art, okay? The other thing that I wanted to share with you is this faux leather cropped jacket from Naked Wardrobe. Naked Wardrobe is not coming to play with y'all. Like, Naked Wardrobe, my outfit online, they are not coming to play with y'all. They have some amazing drops and every drop gets better and better. So this jacket was actually gifted to me. I already have something very, very similar. So, baby, but it's chow. I like the fact that it doesn't really have a collar. You can wear it open and it gives collar. But it also has like a little clasp here so you can keep it closed. It has some stretch too in the arms, which I really love. And around the waistband, it gives stretch as well. It's almost like there's like that bungee type of cord inside so that you could stretch it. I love it. And then these are a pair of earrings that I got from a collab that By Me Chanel did. If you know her, then you know that she is known for her very ornate earrings and chandelier earrings, statement earrings. She's like the first person to ever really get me into statement earrings. So I am a forever fan of those. Another pair that is just so lightweight. I mean, just so lightweight. I wore them a couple times and I don't want to stop wearing them. So let's get into the video a little bit more. I want to talk to you just through some outfits. This is something that y'all seem to really, really like and enjoy, and I really enjoy doing it. I really do. So I am taking you inside my inspiration, inside my mood board, and I want to share with you like some outfit formulas and some fall winter outfits that just give like cool girl. They give like masculine, baggy, but like so effortless, and it's so my style. So if we are style twins, you will like these outfits for sure. Let's get into it, okay? If I pop up as my own inspo, like, you know who I am. And for those that don't, I'm a Libra. That should tell you everything you need to know. And today we are definitely giving 90s realness. I am wearing, girl, I can't see. How did we used to wear these bangs back in the day? We could not see nothing. The bang is like, I can't see between the lashes, the bangs, and the sunglasses, child. I need to pick a struggle. But I'm wearing this Dior scarf that my husband gifted me for my birthday. I don't pay full price for designer, and y'all know that, okay? And if the new ones don't know, the old ones will tell you. I don't pay full price for designer. This was purchased from Dior because my husband got it. He don't got time to be shopping for consignment, used, excellent condition. He not finna go do all of that. He's not gonna do it. That's what I'm wearing today. I'm giving 90s fine because I am not a fan of my hair. I've been wearing my natural hair, and it's just at this awkward length. It's long, but it's not. My hair isn't dense or full enough, so I just don't know. Like, it looks healthy to the naked eye. It is healthy, but I just need a little bit more weight. Maybe I'm just too used to the weaves. I don't know. Next time you see me, I might have a wiggle. Anyway, and then again, like I said, I'm wearing this faux fur from Naked Wardrobe, and then I'm wearing this double layered shirt from, I'm grabbing my boob because I have on my favorite bra, but I'm wearing this shirt from Zara. I absolutely love it. I accidentally ordered 2 of them, and I ain't taking back the second one. I'm keeping both. I love them. This is just so fashion forward, and it's a basic. When I said my favorite bra, I'm talking about this Skims push-up situation. Baby, she is selling hopes and dreams. I believe in miracles, because this bra took my sad little boobies and made me feel like I got a breast augmentation. I'm not even gonna lie. I always wear push-up bras because I have a smaller chest. This one, though, is in a league of its own. So let's get into the outfits. Because that's what you're here for. Now, if you are anything like me, these types of things really just get you going. I love to talk through outfits. So let's get into one that is incorporating an item I already have and a trend I want to try. These are a pair of like gathered ankle balloon style trousers that I own. I love these pants down. They're from Zara. I'm wearing a large. They do run big. But even if you can't get your hands on these exact pants, you are going to see more pants like this pop up. I've already seen new releases of them on Zara, and I've seen them other places, but these are tea. I actually feel like you could make these yourself. Like, take your favorite pair of barrel leg baggy trousers, and honestly, you could put some little strings around the ankles. But these are super high quality, and I get lots of compliments on them. She's also wearing this like double belted trend that I want to try. The only thing about it is, like, I need like really nice belts. I don't want to do this with what I have in my closet. I want to do this with something like really, really nice. What is happening to the TV in the back? That's not supposed to be happening. It's a little commercial, but we're gonna let it rock. Okay, anyway, next. I don't have time. I don't feel like it. And then she's wearing it with a very simple blouse. I wore a very similar outfit like this. I'm gonna pop it up right here to show you. I wore this with a halter style satin-like top from Zara. I also would wear it just like this. I think the next time that I wear these pants, I will wear it with a top just like this. Or honestly, the pants are such a statement that you can really just wear a like semi-sheer type turtleneck or anything with it, because the pants are the moment, and then she just has on a simple long jacket. Now, what else she has that I need in my wardrobe are a good pair of boots, and these are like an ankle boot. Most of my boots are tall. I don't have any real ankle boots, but I'm also a pointy toe girl, so like I like a super pointy toe boot. Now let's get into the next look slash trend, and I have been yelling this trend from the mountaintops. Jorts. I love jorts. I can't get enough of jorts, and actually I am so disappointed with all the jorts that I purchased. All the jorts that I like, I make them myself. I just cut my pants. Is this football? I just cut my pants. I just prefer to make my own jorts. I don't know what it is, but I love a baggy pant in general. And so here, she's wearing them with a pair of tall boots, duh. And I love the fact that she's wearing with this necktie. I just bought a embellished necktie from Zara literally this morning. I don't know why. I just know that it fits my aesthetic. And then she's wearing it with a bomber jacket and a really big bag. I like this whole vibe. I like this whole entire vibe. I don't know that I do the necktie. I mean, yes, I would wear it just like this, but I'm going to wear it like, this is like, I'm going out. I would actually wear this on a date night for real. But this is like, I'm going out. I'm going outside. I'm going outside. outside. So yes, I love me a pair of jorts. Here's another pair. This is closer to how I like to wear my jorts, and I know that she's wearing a pair of Zara boots. These are a pair of fold over boots, which I am a huge fan of fold over boots because I need volume on my calves because my calves are so skinny. So I love a fold over boot. They go really great with mini skirts too. I used to be in my mini skirt era, but she getting thick. Q-U-E. T-H-I-Q-U-E. Spell it on the screen. T-H-I-Q-U-E. She getting thick. I'm not there anymore. That's why I think my jorts have replaced my mini skirt era. But I love the way that she styled this here. This is exactly how I would wear mine. I love jorts for some reason with a suede tall boot. And then she's just wearing a bomber jacket and a basic tee. Love it, love it, want more of it. Okay, now we're switching from jorts. And we're getting into like an outfit formula that I love. I wear it a lot. This is, you know how I feel about blazers, okay? I love a blazer. I love a blazer. But then I also love a really good legging because I want to be comfortable, okay? And I think that the girls think that leggings are out and they are not. Y'all just not wearing them right. That's just it. You're just not wearing them right. She has on a pair of stirrup leggings. I love the oversized, like cinched waist blazer. It's almost giving like tuxedo. The blazer is long enough to even be worn as a dress. I have 3 blazers just like this, and they all serve different purposes, so don't even come for me. But I love this length of the blazer, and then a pair of leggings. This is an outfit formula that you can wear over and over and over again, especially me, because I have a lot of blazers this length, and I just want some leggings, girl. And I've even done it with like leggings and combat boots. So like, come on. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, now, hear me out. Y'all know I love a baggy moment. Y'all know I love I love baggy clothes. I don't know why or when I started to shift into baggy clothes, but this is oversized, well done. The way she scrunched the sleeves with the leather gloves. And I mean, those are the details that really get me going. Like the leather glove with the scrunched sleeve of the blazer and then the bangles over top of the leather glove. It's giving style. It's giving she can dress. She has an eye. She sees pieces. She knows she has an eye for things. So I love this. And then she has the mini bag. I'm not a big fan of tucking my big pants into boots, honestly. I'd rather just roll them up a little bit or do like a long jort. But overall, I love this, even down to the dainty silver hoop tee. Girl, I don't know who you are, but you know who you are because you that girl. Now let's get into another black look. If you want to elevate or just like kind of like take your outfit up a notch or two, just add texture, okay? Just add texture. You should definitely embrace texture. I'm a girl who doesn't embrace color too much, so I definitely embrace texture in place of color. So in this look, it is an all black look. Not only did she embrace texture, she also embraced shapes and silhouettes. Let's talk about it. So the shirt, is it leather? It's leather and it's stunning. It's leather and it's stunning, and she has it completely open, but it's not giving sex kitten. It's giving sexy, but to me it still looks somewhat modest. I love this. I just love it. And then she folded up the sleeves. It looks like the shoulder of the shirt is padded, which if it is, bravo, honey. Bravo, honey. I don't know you, but I should. And then the trouser isn't a typical trouser. Now you could do just a typical wide leg trouser, but she has like a wrap trouser, which just, again, it adds another layer of texture and shape. Even down to her sunglasses that are this sharp square, giving me like Tom Ford, even like OG Ray-Ban, maybe even like Celine with the silver chunky hoop that's just not too big. It's the perfect size. Girl, let me tell you something. Game recognized game. I see you. We see each other. Next, we got another jort. These are tailored though, because it has a little bit of a crease, and then I love that she did it with this blazer. I actually want to recreate this. She did it with an open blazer and then a tall boot. Of course, because tall boots and jorts go together. They go together like mac and cheese. Okay, now this look, that's exactly how I go to CVS when I need ibuprofen. What? That's exactly how I dress when I need to go get some gas. I'm just going to the car wash. Yeah. Full teddy coat. Yeah. This yellow bag, it wasn't on purpose. I wore this the night before and I don't feel like switching it. So I'm throwing it on and I'm just throwing on some sweatpants and some shearling Uggs. What do you mean? What do you mean, where am I going? I'm just going to get gas and I need to pick up 6 more yams for Thanksgiving dinner. What do you mean? What? I ran out of onions. What do you mean, where am I going? This is exactly how I dress when I'm going to CVS, Walgreens, to go pick up a double cheeseburger and a medium fry. And a high C. Yeah, duh. What you mean? If you don't understand this, I don't have nothing to say to you. Sorry. Those that get it, get it. This was so unintentional. I know that she just got caught on her way to Dwayne Reed. She wasn't trying to be fashionable. She is just fashionable. Fashionable and stylish girls are just, they exist in that, okay? They're never trying. They're never trying. This is what I be trying to explain to my husband when he be like, where you going? Where you going? Next. Another jort. Another jort, and all she wearing is a gray hoodie. Again, this is a stylish girl that was not being intentional. She just put this on. And a black boob. What else is there to say? There's nothing left to say. There's nothing left to say. And I did not think that I would be featuring this person and talking through their looks. But Kendall Jenner, come to the front, girl. Now, you are a model, so we don't know if you styled yourself or if you were styled. I don't know, but I like it. I will also recreate this because I have all the makings of it. She has on a leather trouser. Yes, please. And then she has on this like burgundy-ish heel. It's just a stiletto, just a pop. And then this oversized button-up top. Even down to the wavy hair and the 90s glam, all of it is giving me life. And to the naked eye, to the average person, this looks like it's just a simple outfit. And it is, but it's also intentionally simple. The girls that get it, goddamn get it. Next. There's nothing to say about this. I'm pretty much wearing this outfit right now, minus a few accoutrements. But this is everyday wear to a stylish girl. Like, this is just every day. Now, the only thing I change about this is those shoes, nah, not my favorite. I'd probably just throw on like a suede flat, or even I would put on, Tucker, you want to snore louder, Tucker? Snore louder for the people in the back. The only thing I would change is when it comes to this shoe, yeah, I'd do a flat, or yeah, I just wouldn't do this shoe. I just want to do this shoe. A loafer. That's what I do. I do a loafer. Particularly a suede loafer, but I definitely would do a loafer. Honestly, I do anything but that shoe. I don't know. It just wasn't given for me. I love this next outfit because I have these track pants and I love these track pants, but I've actually never dressed them up like this. I want to restyle this whole situation. I want to do this again. I really want to wear this outfit, and I want this outfit to wear me. I hope that this video kind of gave you some inspo, kind of give you a little bit of insight as to my mood board, why I chose what I chose, why I like what I like. And these are probably some things you actually have in your closet, like the blazers, the track pants, baggy jeans. You might already have some of these items, or maybe you've decided like, this is an aesthetic or a look or a vibe I want to try. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know. Send me a like, a thumbs up, share it with somebody, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you aren't following me on all socials, what are you doing? What are you actually doing? Anyway, see you later. Bye. Let's get some stills for the thumbnail. Yeah.